Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers and my beloved learners. Welcome from Shohag Online Institute and Training page. And today I am from the different points of view. Actually, you know that I was giving classes on some important grammatical points of view and sometimes on spoken English. But I am not from that type of view. Today I would like to show you an exciting football match. You know that football is the demand of our soul, and football is very much popular in our country. And so why an exciting football match is going to be happen between Tarai Primary School and Balarampur Primary School. And before that, it would be better to make yourself intimate with these two teams. And here we will show you the green jersey, and green jersey will be at the testimony of Balarampur High Primary School, and another jersey will be the Tarai Primary School. The match is going on very exciting, and hope you will enjoy the match. And before it, I would like to tell you something that in this playground and in this premises of Balarampur High School, a lot of exciting match would happen when I was a student of secondary level. I would come here to watch different types of matches, and so from that point of view, I'd like to show you very exciting match, and my student Josim will show you the video. And first, Balarampur High School is participating with different types of events. And today, dear viewers, I will take you to the very near of the match, and you will show the match. Let's start the কি ভিডিও করা হয় Oh.